Black Clover chapter 311 spoilers are out, and woof! Finally, the showdown between Yuno and Xenon ends. And there isn't much in our spoilers, but let's talk about whatever we have got. Oh, and before we do that, make sure you are subscribed to our channel with the notifications turned on. The first thing we get to see in our leaks is Xenon dying in Yuno's hands, and he's asking Yuno what's the difference between them, while Xenon on the inside thinks that from the very first moment he saw Yuno, he knew there's something similar between them, to which he says he doesn't know, but starts to think about Asta, after which Xenon remembers his promise to Alan and fades away. Yes, Xenon, the only thing similar to you and Yuno is the promise that you both made to your rival. A promise that Yuno has kept and still plans on keeping, but you went out of track and failed in your task. The next thing we have is Asta amazed to hear that Yuno managed to defeat Xenon, while Nacht questions himself, now that the Dark Triad is defeated, why is the Advent not stopping? Yeah, of course it wouldn't, silly. You still have to save Yami and William first. The panel then switches to Julius in the Clover Kingdom, who says he's having a bad feeling about something. And finally, the person who we all have been waiting for, it's Dorothy Answorth, who has pretty much been overpowered by Morris. And dude looks like he's creating demons from each and every one of his fingers. What? He then says he is the messenger of the most powerful demon, Lucifero. To which Lucifero says, that's good. Unlike Dante, you know your place. Looks like even Lucifero was tired of Dante's bragging and boasting about himself. He then appears on Morris's forehead saying that the second gate is about to open and then he will come out. Morris then combines all the demons and makes a giant one out of it. Yeah, his magic being reconstruction magic, it makes sense. But man, that technique looks so overpowered and creepy. He then later says that the Dark Triad are not useful anymore for the ritual, but Yami and William with their magic and life are. The next leak says Lotus, the Diamond Kingdom general with smoke magic, I guess. Yeah. Seeing all this betrays Lotus by doing something. Maybe trying to free Yami and William, I guess, but is easily overpowered by Morris again. He then regrets of what he has done and wants to return to his family. And the last leak shows us the Black Bulls finally arriving to save Yami. Yes, that's it. Not much to say cause it's just spoilers. Full review of this chapter will be coming as soon as the translations are out. Therefore, stay tuned for it and see you guys until next time.